Join me as I dive into the mind-bending world of quantum physics and try to explain how entangled particles can connect across vast distances. Entangled particles are one of the most fascinating concepts in quantum physics, and they have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. Essentially, entangled particles are two or more particles that are connected in such a way that the state of one particle is directly correlated with the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. This means that if something happens to one particle, it instantly affects the other, regardless of the distance between them. But here's the really interesting part. This connection happens even when they're separated by vast distances. Distances so great that it would take light years to traverse them. It's as if these particles are talking to each other in a way that transcends our classical understanding of space and time. This phenomenon has led many physicists to question our understanding of reality and the nature of the universe itself. Imagine for a second being able to communicate with someone on the other side of the universe, instantly, without any delay or lag. It sounds like science fiction, but this is exactly what's happening with entangled particles. They're able to send information to each other instantly without any physical connection between them. It's a phenomenon that has left many scientists scratching their heads, wondering how this is possible. The implications of this are profound. If we can harness the power of entangled particles, we could potentially create a way of communicating with each other that's faster than light. It could revolutionize the way we communicate, the way we travel, and the way we understand the universe. But before we get to that point, we need to understand how this phenomenon works, and that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. At the heart of entangled particles lies the principle of quantum superposition. This is the idea that, at a subatomic level, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. It's a mind-bending concept that challenges our classical understanding of reality, but it's what allows entangled particles to communicate with each other in the way that they do. One of the most famous experiments that demonstrates the power of entangled particles is the EPR paradox, proposed by Einstein, Podolsky, and Rosen. In this thought experiment, two particles are created, each with a certain property, like spin. These particles are then separated, and the properties of each particle are measured. What's fascinating is that, no matter how far apart these particles are, the measurement of one particle instantly affects the other, even if they're on opposite sides of the universe. More recent experiments have taken this concept to the next level. For example, in 2016, scientists were able to entangle two particles and then separate them by over a kilometer. When they measured the state of one particle, the state of the other particle changed instantly, even though they were separated by such a vast distance. It's experiments like these that are helping us to understand the power of entangled particles and their potential to revolutionize communication. Another fascinating aspect of entangled particles is their potential for secure communication. Because these particles are connected in such a way that any attempt to measure or observe them would disrupt their state, they could potentially be used to create an unbreakable encryption method. This would have profound implications for the way we communicate, especially in the fields of finance and government, where secure communication is paramount. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon that has the potential to redefine our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It challenges our classical understanding of space and time, and it opens up new possibilities for communication and information transfer. So what do you think about entangled particles and their potential to connect across vast distances? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on the latest scientific discoveries and advancements. And if you want to explore more mind-bending concepts, check out my other videos on quantum physics and the mysteries of the universe.